The president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traoré, has proposed something so unusual that it has left global experts stunned. Yes, Traoré wants his farmers to raise peacocks. This isn't just a random idea. It's a decision that has made international media and research institutions wonder, what's the real motive behind this? Why is Traoré putting so much emphasis on peacock farming? Peacock can burst into flight to perch high in the trees, chase off predators, and even charge into battle to defend its territory, all while winning the heart of a mate with an unrivaled courtship dance. Peacocks possess a unique reproductive strategy, turning beauty into a weapon through a visual performance. Fanning out their massive tails with hundreds of shimmering blue-green eye spots, gently vibrating them to reflect the light. PNS closely observe the symmetry, the number of eye spots, the male's gait, tail shaking display, and even low-frequency sounds that are inaudible to the human ear. Is it merely an experiment, or is there a deeper economic and strategic vision behind it? Let's uncover the astonishing secret of the peacock. Before diving into Traoré's plan, let's learn a few fascinating facts about peacocks, facts many of you may never have heard before. When a male peacock performs his dance to attract a female, the scene is mesmerizing. He spreads his colorful feathers in a dazzling display, nature's way of sending a message. I am strong, healthy, and capable of producing the finest offspring. Scientists have long been fascinated by this ritual. According to Charles Darwin, the peacock's display isn't just about physical beauty, it's a form of genetic communication, showcasing the bird's evolutionary fitness. Some even say that during mating, the male releases a microscopic drop of fluid into the female's eye, believed to strengthen the genetic quality of the next generation. After mating, the female alone protects the eggs and raises the young, a natural mystery few people know about. Peacock feathers aren't just a symbol of beauty, they are worth thousands of dollars in global markets. They are used in the fashion industry, luxury jewelry, interior decor, and handcrafted art around the world. President Traoré wants every village in Burkina Faso to raise peacocks, turning their feathers into high-value export products that could earn the country billions of dollars. This project could lift thousands of farmers out of poverty, create jobs, and give Burkina Faso a new, powerful identity on the world stage. Peacock eggs are another hidden treasure. Unlike ordinary eggs, they are hard to find and can sell for $100 to $200 each. They are not only delicious but are believed to boost strength and vitality. That's why the elite often reserve them for special occasions and royal feasts. Poverty could decline dramatically. Thousands of young people would find employment. Burkina Faso could establish a new identity in the global market and its economy could earn billions of dollars annually. President Ibrahim Traoré says he wants his country to move beyond traditional agriculture to embrace bold, innovative projects that surprise the world. And peacock farming, he believes, is one such idea, one that could lead Burkina Faso to a new era of prosperity. The peacock is not just a bird of beauty and grace. Its feathers, meat, and eggs are as valuable as gold in the international market. For Burkina Faso's farmers, this initiative is a ray of hope, a dream that could transform their lives. If this vision succeeds, Burkina Faso could set an example not only for Africa but for the entire world. Among the most intriguing is the way peacocks mate. A process that nature has made both mysterious and mesmerizing. When a male peacock wishes to attract a female, he spreads his dazzling feathers and begins a beautiful, rhythmic dance. Those vibrant feathers are not just a display of beauty. They're a signal of strength and vitality. To the female, they say, "This is a healthy, powerful mate worthy of continuing the species." The female observes the male's feathers, his dance, his call, and then chooses the one who shines the brightest, the one who moves with confidence and grace. Her goal is clear: to ensure her offspring inherit the strongest genes. And when the male succeeds in winning her attention, nature takes over in its most poetic form. During mating, the male peacock lets a single tear fall into the female's eye. A symbolic act not of pleasure, but of genetic offering. A gesture ensuring the continuity of life. After mating, the female lays her eggs and protects them with great care. A quiet miracle few truly understand. But now you do. You've entered a rare world. The secret kingdom of the peacock. If you found this fascinating, tell us in the comments below. Because the story is just beginning. Now, let's return to the main question. Why does Ibrahim Traoré want to bring peacock farming to Burkina Faso? The answer lies in both beauty and economics. Peacocks are admired across the world for their elegance and radiant feathers. Those feathers aren't just ornaments. They're used in fashion, home decor, art, and luxury crafts. Often sold for thousands of dollars in international markets. Under Traoré's vision, Burkina Faso will establish large-scale peacock farms across the country. From their feathers, local artisans will produce handcrafted items, fashion accessories, and decorative pieces, all to be exported to global markets. His dream is to make Burkina Faso the first African nation where peacock farming becomes a refined, sustainable industry. This will give farmers a brand new source of income and position the nation uniquely in the global economy. Traoré, if every village across Burkina Faso began raising peacocks, the export of feathers alone could bring in billions of dollars annually. This project would not only lift farmers out of poverty, but also create thousands of new jobs for young people. In several Middle Eastern and European royal circles, peacock meat is still considered a symbol of luxury and prestige. Its price can reach thousands of dollars because it's extremely rare in ordinary markets. For centuries, peacock meat was served only in the banquets of kings. In medieval Europe, when a peacock was brought to the royal table, with its feathers displayed in full glory, it wasn't merely food. It was a statement of power, status, and wealth. Even today, among the wealthy elite, peacock meat is secretly sought after. A delicacy reserved for private feasts. Its flavor is said to be richer and more tender than both chicken and lamb, and then there are the peacock eggs. Rare, valuable, and full of nutrition. They're seldom seen on dinner tables. But in some parts of the world, they're used as food supplements and traditional medicines, believed to boost strength and energy. Because they're so rare, a single egg can cost anywhere between $100 and $200. People say their taste is extraordinary, and their nutritional value even higher. So, dear viewers, you can now see why this majestic bird is far more than a symbol of beauty. The peacock is a source of wealth, elegance, and opportunity. A bridge between art and agriculture. And this is why Ibrahim Traoré has dared to dream big. To turn the deserts of Burkina Faso into the first land in Africa where peacocks bring prosperity. He envisions a future where farmers are no longer bound by traditional crops alone, but embrace industries that bring the world's admiration and Africa's pride. Every participant in the Peacock Prosperity Program took an oath To work with the land, not against it. As dusk fell, the desert shimmered in waves of blue and gold. Children chased peacocks through the twilight, their laughter echoing through valleys where once there was only wind. By late 2025, the peacock was no longer just a national emblem, it was a diplomatic signal. African delegates at world summits wore blue feather pins instead of flag badges. The symbol spread faster than any treaty. In a world weary of cynicism, Burkina Faso offered something rare, a myth reborn. Not a fairy tale, but living proof that moral courage can regenerate the earth.